Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI. Today I'll be showing you how to add factory promotions to your offer rotator on your responsive CMS site. First, we'll jump over to our editor. We'll click on Site and down to Offers. Once the next screen loads, you'll be able to click on Factory Promotions. These are promotions that are pre-generated by your manufacturers and sent into us. These are updated on a weekly basis. For example, we'll click on Honda Marine. You can either choose your slide by either visual preference or a particular financing or sales deal that you are participating in with that manufacturer. All you have to do is hit Add to Offer Queue, like so. You'll get this pop-up that says Successfully Added to Offer Queue. We can close out this window, and now down on the bottom you can see that our new 3.99 financing deal is on the site. Your last step would be to click on your name in the upper right hand corner and publish changes. Then your new promotionary material will appear on your site. Thank you, and this has been Benjamin with ARI, your website company.